क्या आप एस्पायरिंग टीचर हो या ऑलरेडी टीचर हो, या आप कोई स्कूल या कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट चलाते हो, आप किसी भी एजुकेशन फील्ड से रिलेटेड एजुकेटर्स, ट्रेनिंग एंड डेवलपमेंट, लर्निंग एंड डेवलपमेंट इस फील्ड से रिलेटेड हो, तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए है। Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Neeta Parate. I am India's first holistic success coach for educators and entrepreneurs. I am founder of Neeta Training and Consulting Services, empowering educators, transforming generations. This is what is our tagline, under which we are empowering and transforming educators. So we are coming up with 2 days free workshop, which is a national level workshop called as Shikshak Kranti Live. Now, what is this Shikshak Kranti Live? Let's explore a few things about it. So, in this particular workshop, we will be helping the educators to enhance their skills at a different level. Of course, what other people are teaching to teachers, that all sort of things would be there, but here something very, very unique you will find. That first, awaken the real teacher within. Means once you become a teacher, what kind of qualities from your personalities that you should skill and enhance. So those kind of things also we are going to discuss. Apart from that, of course, surface level knowledge, for which nowadays we need adaptability of technology. So we will be covering those topics, wherein AI for educators, then different kind of simulation tools to show certain kind of demonstrations, practicals, or gamification in education. All those kind of topics are going to cover. Especially this workshop is designed for the aspiring teachers, mainly who don't know how to start with the career path, or don't have though again another part is those who are already teachers, but they have not taken any kind of recognized certification or qualification. If they don't have, it would be better for them. And those who are already into teaching field, for them also we are having different kind of knowledge to share with them to enhance and upskill them. So if you are a school owner, principal of the school, or head of the department for any school, college, or coaching institute, I would invite you for the workshop, and I would request you to share this information with all your staff members and ask them to register for this event. It's absolutely free, and we are also going to provide the participation certificate if they are doing it both the days, and they are staying till the end. So all the registered candidates will be eligible to get the participation certificate for this workshop. So we are actually aiming for empowering 1000 teachers by December 2025 through this Kranti movement. So educational Kranti, you must be knowing that we are leading the movement which is called as Educational Kranti, under which we are empowering teachers, empowering educators all across India and worldwide. So I am actually want your support in this Kranti movement. Be a part of this Educational Kranti and become the revolutionary educator. So again, once again, I would like to invite you for this wonderful 2 days live webinar on Zoom. So please register yourself. Link is given in the description. So register yourself and share it with all the educators in your contacts. So signing off, Dr. Neeta Parate. Thank you.